Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to on and off Nokia keypad mobile vibration setting. Friends, you want to on, you want to off your Nokia keypad mobile vibration setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Nokia keypad mobile phone vibration setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Nokia keypad mobile you want to use vibration setting, open your phone setting, Nokia keypad mobile setting we will on. Press here system setting. If you select call setting, message setting, backlight setting, you can use notification setting, you can use connectivity setting friends, flight mode, Bluetooth setting you can use in your Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, if you select your time and language setting, date and time setting, you can use phone language setting, you can use. So friends, we will click here personalized setting. Sound setting, we will select sound setting. Select. After select sound setting, first of all you can use your ringtone setting. Select your ringtone sound, you can set ringtone sound in your Nokia keypad mobile. Message sound friends, you want to set message alert sound, you can set, and you can change your message alert sound. Third option friends, now you can turn on Nokia keypad mobile vibration setting, and you can use Nokia keypad mobile vibration setting. So friends, you can see vibrate icon will show on your Nokia keypad mobile status bar on your screen. So friends, your phone is on vibrate mode. So like the thing, you want to use Nokia keypad mobile sound setting, so you can use your sound setting, and you can on vibration setting. And you want to off your vibration setting, you can off your vibration setting again on, so your phone will vibrate like that. And you don't want to use vibration setting, you can turn off vibration setting friends. Notification alerts sound you want to on, so you can on and you can off friends. Volume, you want to unmute your Nokia keypad mobile, so you can unmute your Nokia keypad mobile. Volume you can on, and you can mute your Nokia keypad mobile. Beep and silent. Silent mode icon will show on your screen. And you can increase your Nokia keypad mobile volume, and you can decrease. So like that friends, you can use Nokia keypad mobile sound setting. And friends, you want to off this sound, so you can off. Volume we will decrease, sound will off. Now you can use your Nokia keypad mobile without any sound. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.